eat it up. You better stop, work, drop, lean. I'm on my foot bean and I can't be seen. And I went too far.
You doing your shit, huh? You think you slick, huh?
What's up, Spice Life? Today I am reacting to Riss and Quan video. Cheating with the door lock prank on girlfriend. So let's get into it.
Let's go. Riss and Quan got it going on. Not right, homie, the show is on.
What's good, Team Riss and Quan? It's your boy Quan. I'm back with another lit video. So can y'all guess who got the whole crib to themselves right now? Rissa done messed up. She left me in the crib alone, and y'all know when I'm alone, I get bored and I think of the craziest ideas. So literally a few minutes ago, Rissa left and went to her mom's house to go sort out some clothes that she left over there. It's crazy how much clothes this girl has, like it's ridiculous. She actually asked me if I would tag along, but I told her, nah, I'm too tired, I'm not interested.
Hold up.
And she caught a little attitude and just left. But y'all don't understand. Now that I'm here alone, it's prank time. So as you guys can see from the title of this video, I'm going to be hitting Rissa with a cheating with the door lock prank. This is actually about to be my second cheating prank that I've done on Rissa. If you haven't seen the first one, go check it out. I call her pretty good. And what I'm about to do with this prank is kick it up a notch. So in the first prank, I actually used one of Rissa's doll heads, and I put a wig on it, and I put it on the bed. So what I'm about to do is FaceTime baby girl, right? I'm gonna FaceTime her, have a little conversation, but I'm gonna purposely put the camera on the wig head on the bed so she think that another girl is in bed with me. So as you guys can see from the title of this video, I'm going to...
Okay, y'all, we just gonna skip it because we don't got all day. Yeah, I'll probably want to hit him out. So
I'm about to call Rissa right now. Hey, babe.
What you want from me?
Well, why you acting like that?
Because I needed help and you want to just stay home. Like,
I'm sorry, babe. I was just too tired. Come on, like, that's way too
come
much.
on, I got mad clothes to go through. Like, I gotta carry all to the car by myself. You better help me when I get back.
Of course I'm gonna help you, but I don't know. I ain't feel like moving out of bed today.
Late.
Especially this morning. I was way too tired. But how's things going? Like, what time you think you'll be back?
I don't know. Why?
I don't know. I was just wondering.
Why?
I don't know. I was just curious.
I mean, I have a lot of stuff to go through, so I might be on a while, but...
Okay. Babe, you gotta get rid of all those clothes. It's not unnecessary. Like, you don't even wear half of it.
Babe, I'm not getting rid of it if we have the space.
Babe, we don't have the space. What you mean?
Yes, we do. I have the whole other closet in the guest bedroom.
No, babe. That's way too much. Just throw them out. You're never gonna wear them.
You don't know that.
Just throw them out.
Whatever.
But, like, what time do you think you're gonna get back?
I don't know. Am I on a time frame thing?
No, I just want to know what time, cause...
Why do you need a specific time?
Cause I want to make sure I'm up. That I'm not sleeping by the time you get back.
So I can't go in the house if you're sleeping?
I mean, I don't know. You know I'm a heavy sleeper, so...
Whatever.
I'm kind of tired right now.
What is that?
Who's who?
Who's next to you?
Nobody. Look.
what just happened?
Whatever.
I'm kind of tired right now.
What is that?
Who's who?
Who's next to you?
Nobody. Look.
Who's next to you, bro? No, the other way. I'm not asking you. Who's
Nobody.
next to you? Bro,
No.
stop fucking playing with me.
Baby, nobody's next to me.
Stop playing with me.
Look.
Show me who's next to you.
Nobody's
Who's
next to me. Babe, nobody's next to me. Oh God. So guys, Rissa just banged it on me, And I know she's about to head over here because she seemed mad and her mom is only 5 minutes away. So I gotta hurry up and get this thing started. So what I'm about to do is set a camera up outside in the living room and run back in here. Also, I'm about to lock the door. And then I found this dirty talking ASMR video on YouTube, which is kind of weird. But I'm about to play it on the boombox to make it seem like a girl is in here. So we about to get this thing rolling. I'm running on a short period of time. Let's get it. It's Team Quan. I'm coming, babe. Hold on.
He really used the ASMR thing. He could have used something else, but anyways.
Babe, relax. Hold on.
Oh, what is taking so long?
Hold on.
Yeah, you don't want to get caught in action. Just open the door like I already told you. Don't matter.
Hold on. Relax.
What's the problem?
Stay in there.
Bro.
I'm coming, babe. Hold on.
You're caught already.
Hold on.
I'm trying to find her. Like, there's only so many places to hide.
Babe, relax.
I could wait here all day. You're caught. Like, you don't even open the door. Stop being childish. Be a man about it. And
I said be quiet.
Open the door.
Talk too much. Babe, I'm coming. Hold on. Can you give me a few minutes?
Open the door right now.
Hold
It's
on.
gonna be a really big issue.
Babe, relax.
Right now.
Relax.
Come on.
Babe, relax.
Open it.
Calm down.
Open the door.
Stay in there.
Stop playing with you.
Stop doing it.
She keeps saying open the door. She could have busted that door down.
All right, babe, I'm coming.
Open it right now.
I'm coming.
Stop playing. Where's she at? Stop playing. Where's she at?
Babe, what's wrong with you?
So where is she?
Babe,
Every place is to hide. I'm not
what are you
stupid.
talking about?
Where's she at?
Babe, what are you talking about?
I saw someone laying in the bed with you. I just heard girl voices. So stop playing with me.
Babe, it's no girl in here.
So why do you look like this?
Babe,
Stop playing.
I'm telling you.
What is funny?
It's no
I'm
girl
not
in here.
kidding.
It's no girl in here.
So what was that? What you doing? Jerking off? What
No,
are you
I'm
doing?
not jerking off.
Why is your buckle unbuttoned and why is your shirt like this?
Babe, I could explain.
So
Can
explain.
you calm down first?
Cause I'm confused right now. I'm really confused.
Relax.
Bro,
Babe,
what's
babe,
that?
Babe,
What is
babe,
that?
Nothing.
Show me. Be a man about it.
Nothing.
What'd you do? Have her hop out the window? Like I'm confused.
Babe,
Talking about you're caught, bro.
babe.
Give me what's in your hand.
I'm sorry.
Give me
Relax. Chill.
Give me it.
There's nothing in my hand. There's nothing in my hand.
Oh, that's what you're doing? Why is your underwear on the floor?
I don't know where those are.
You know what?
Babe.
I'll let you kind of relax and you're just gonna talk. Talk.
What are you talking about?
Talk to me about what's going on right now.
Nothing, babe.
So why am I on FaceTime and I see hair laying next to you in our bed?
Babe, nobody.
There's underwear on the floor. I just heard
Babe,
voices.
nobody's.
Stop touching me.
Babe, nobody's.
I'm disgusted right now.
Babe.
Your freaking pants are halfway unbuckled. Your shirt. What's going on? Don't touch me. I'm not
I
playing.
love you, babe.
No.
What, babe? Ain't nobody here.
No. So what
It's
does
a
that
prank. It's
say?
a prank.
How's that
I
prank?
want you. It's a prank.
How?
It's a prank, baby. It was a prank. I was just messing with you.
So who you? What was that?
Nobody. I was playing a video off my phone. And those are your panties.
Oh, I ain't even look at the damn panties. Honestly, like Okay. Really? I mean, rush over here for what? Now you're coming to help me with my clothes, for real. I'm sweating right now.
Okay, y'all, that was the end of the prank. If y'all liked it, go like their video and go subscribe to them if y'all haven't. Anyways, let's see some comments. Let's see if somebody commented on my video. Well, I did. I said I love y'all so much. And it says, bro, I swear I click so fast. Love them so much. This prank was fire. Y'all need to start doing more pranks. Let's see who replied. Okay, y'all saw them. Y'all can read these for yourself. Okay, y'all, that was it. Anyways, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Anyways.